Imagine this. It's 3 a.m., and while the world sleeps, your bank account is quietly growing. No alarms, no meetings, no stress. Sound too good to be true? Here's the hard truth. Right now, someone else your age is earning money in their sleep, and they're not smarter than you or luckier than you. They just know something you don't. Here's the question. Are you going to watch the years pass, stuck in the same grind, or are you ready to take control of your life today? Or maybe you're thinking, I can barely stay awake in my 9 to 5. How am I supposed to make money while I'm unconscious? Well, stick with me. This is for you. Let's be real. Most people in their 20s and 30s are trapped in a cycle, working hard, barely saving, and waking up each day closer to burnout than financial freedom. And the scariest part? If you don't change now, it only gets harder later. But what if I told you there's a way out, a way to build a system that pays you even when you're binge-watching Netflix or catching up on sleep? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start earning money while you sleep, and you won't need $1 million or a finance degree to do it. The solution and how to achieve it. Let's start with the mindset. Earning passive income isn't just about working less. It's about building assets that work harder than you ever could. The goal? Turn your active effort into automated results. Point number 1, the foundation, understanding passive income. Think of it like this. Passive income is money that keeps flowing without you trading hours for dollars. It's not about magic or luck, it's about strategy. Whether it's investing in stocks, creating digital products, or renting out assets, the key is to do the work once and reap the rewards again and again. Now, before you roll your eyes and say, wait, is this one of those sketchy schemes where I end up selling candles to my friends? Don't worry, it's not. This is about proven strategies, not pyramids. And here's the kicker. There are 3 types of passive income streams you can start today, even if you're broke. Let's dive in. Point number 2, stream number 1, investing for cash flow. First, we have investments. Think dividend-paying stocks, REITs, and peer-to-peer lending platforms. These assets generate income without you lifting a finger. Don't know where to start? Apps like Robinhood or Acorns make it easy for beginners to put their money to work. And here's a pro tip. Focus on compound interest. Every dollar invested in your 20s can multiply tenfold by the time you retire. But wait, what if the market crashes? Here's the truth. Market dips are temporary, but time in the market is the ultimate advantage. Every day you delay is a missed opportunity to grow your money effortlessly. Point 3, stream number 2, digital products and online courses. Second, create something once and let it pay you forever. From ebooks to online courses, the digital age has made it easier than ever to sell your knowledge or creativity. Don't have an idea? Start by asking yourself, what do people constantly ask you for advice about? That's your gold mine. And no, your weird talent for eating 20 chicken nuggets in one sitting doesn't count. Or maybe it does. Hello, YouTube revenue. Point 4, stream number 3, renting out assets. Third, let your assets work for you. Got a car you barely use? Platforms like Turo let you rent it out. Own a camera? Creative marketplaces like ShareGrid can connect you with renters. These aren't just side hustles. They're opportunities to turn everyday items into money machines. But here's the catch. None of these streams will happen overnight. You need to start planting the seeds now for them to grow. Because the sooner you start, the faster you'll get to the moment when your money earns more than you do. Let's fast forward to a year from now. You've built your first passive income stream. Maybe it's a growing investment portfolio or an online course that sells in your sleep. Imagine checking your phone and seeing money hit your account while you're out with friends or enjoying a lazy Sunday morning. That's not just freedom, that's security. No more worrying about rent, no more stressing over unexpected expenses. This is what happens when you stop working for money and start making money work for you. So what's holding you back? Fear? Doubt? Or maybe just the habit of procrastination? Remember, the difference between dreaming about success and achieving it is action. And here's the best part. The next video in this series will show you exactly how to scale these income streams into a 6-figure passive income strategy. Don't miss it. It could change your life. Hit that like button if you're ready to take control of your financial future. Share this video with a friend who needs to hear this, and subscribe with notifications on, because your journey to earning money while you sleep starts today.